YouTube, what's going on? This is Herb with EDG. We back with another video. We hanging up 6 clouds. It's gonna be very informative. We showing you how to measure, how to drill the actual holes, how to hang it up. This is for people that want to, buy some panels and they don't know how to hang it up at home or do what they want to, So this is gonna be a cool video for y'all. Also, I wanted to say, like, comment on all the videos and subscribe. If you do anything, just subscribe because we got a lot of content coming out. We just did a big job in Santa Fe. It's probably like a 2 or 3 episode video. So, just stay tuned, man. Stay tuned.
Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash and you not involved, I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all. Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash and you not involved, I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? So today we in North Hollywood. This engineer, super cool, mixed by Crystal. We worked with her before. We gave her a gang of panels, installed them and everything. So she just want to add on to it. So right now we're gonna go in there, adjust some stuff and prepare for tomorrow. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Hope y'all enjoy.
That's 10 feet.
10 feet.
So we just make two 2x4s. Two 2x4s. That's good. Two 2x4s.
Keep it going.
So that was the video. We hung up the 6 clouds. Crystal was very happy about it. We actually was supposed to hang up some speakers too, but the brackets that she ordered for the speakers weren't an exact fit, so you didn't get to see that. We're probably gonna go back once she orders the right ones and install it. But if you have any questions on how to hang up the clouds, or any comments, anything you want to say to us, please just comment down and we'll get back to you for sure. I hope you enjoyed the video. We got more to come. Like I said, we got a Santa Fe video coming, Beverly Hills. We got something special for you guys. But once you guys see all of that, just hopefully you guys stay tuned in, share the videos, and subscribe and comment, man. Thank you.